18, they've done this shifty, subtle thing, showing us as saying, nice kitty, see that kitty, doesn't help children learn a language. Doesn't help children learn a language because when you don't do it, children master the grammatical structure of the language. What does the grammatical structure have to do with learning the language? Nothing. It has nothing to do with it. And maybe you just let that slip past you, but don't let that slip past you. You can't say that it doesn't affect learning language because it doesn't affect learning the grammatical structure, in the same way that you can't say having no legs doesn't prevent you from playing football because it doesn't prevent you from learning the rules of football. Learning a language is different from knowing its grammatical structure. That's the problem with the argument, is the argument has just assumed that those two are the same. Answer choice C says it. Any child who has mastered the grammatical structure has, in fact, learned the language. C accurately characterizes the problem with the argument. That extra bit of evidence that the argument needed but didn't have, just assumed was true. So here's the deal with these free videos. They're intended to serve a very narrow purpose. For those times when you're wondering, why is that the right answer? You can just come here for a complete library and find out why it was the right answer. And I hope that you'll find that it was very instructive. Of course, the other part of the deal is that since LSAC publishes all of their tests along with test keys, that means that there's no barrier to entry for test prep. And you can hear the air quotes, I hope. Anybody can, and lots of people have, set up shop and call themselves test prep companies, and they've got the questions, they've got the answer keys, and they just try to explain to you why the right answer is right. And then they charge you money for it? That is wrong. I want to put a stop to it. I want to sweep the legs right out from under them. It is bad for you. It's bad for me too. So if you want to know what the right answer is and why the right answer is right, I want you to be able to come here and find it out for free without paying anybody for it. That's very different from what I do in the paid course. What I think has value about what I do is that I can tell you ahead of time what every question wants from you, what to expect from the right answer, how to formulate a right answer, and then how you can expect wrong answers to sound, so that you know before you ever open up a test book exactly what to expect. And all the practice videos that are part of the paid course are just me putting that theory into practice. It's just the rubber meeting the road. In other words, I'm going to show you, based on what we've done before, how we're going to react when it comes up next time. And that bit, knowing what to do the next time you see something, that I think is worth paying for. And if you agree, I'd love to have you in the course. And if not, that's fine too. Don't pay anybody to explain why right answers are right. Just watch these for free. Enjoy.